2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT 4x4 is a standard pickup with a regular cab, low KMS, backup, fog lamps and an auto-locking rear differential. This truck is a must-see. Come down and see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. Only 32,551 kms. This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 boasts a gas ethanol V6 5.3L/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 20x9, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, polished aluminum, tungsten metallic, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow-haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking, STD. This Chevrolet Silverado 1500 comes equipped with these options. Lieutenant Convenience Package includes AG1, driver 10-way power seat adjuster with AZ3, bench seats are ordered, BTV, remote vehicle starter system, UVC, rear vision camera, IO5, MyLink 8 diagonal color touch audio system, C49, rear window defogger and KI4, 110-volt power outlet, trailer brake controller, integrated, tires, P275/55R20 all-terrain, black wall, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, available in cloth, includes driver and front passenger recline with outboard head restraints and center fold-down armrest with storage. Also includes manually adjustable driver lumbar, lockable storage compartment and seat cushion, and storage pockets. STD, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, LPO, wheel locks, set OF4, LPO, rear wheelhouse liners, LPO, polished exhaust tip, LPO, black tubular assist steps, 4-round, jet black dark ash, cloth seat trim. See what the experts say. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the Silverado is the truck you know and trust. The modern body is chiseled and sleek at the same time. A dramatic stacked double grille in front is complemented with vertically stacked headlights on either side, outlined in chrome. The bumper is contoured as well. Also, its tough persona is further accentuated by the geometric lines of its new sculpted fenders and dual-power dome hood. The Silverado currently comes in 3 models: Short Box Crew Cab, Standard Box Crew Cab, and Standard Box Double Cab. Each has 6 trims with a 1WT as the base and the LTZZ71 as the top-of-the-line option. Knowing that it's what's under the hood that counts, the Silverado is stacked with impressive engines. The 1WT, 2WT, LT, and Lieutenant Z71 comes standard with the 4.3L Ecotec 3 V6, with 6-speed automatic transmission. The LTZ and LTZZ71 comes standard with the 5.3L Ecotec 3 V8, which is also an option for the other trims. Don't forget the 6.2 Ecotec V8 with 420 horsepower. The Max Trailering Package, offered with both V8 engines, offers class-leading trailering capacity of up to 12,000 pounds. The ride is quiet and the interior more comfortable than ever. The center controls have been updated with an improved layout and are easy to reach. Chevy's MyLink system is an extremely intuitive and helpful system to use. It allows you to control your music, make calls, and navigate to a number of stored destinations all by using your voice. 2WT, LT, and Lieutenant Z71 trims get a 4.2-inch color screen to go with it, and the LTZ and LTZZ71 get an 8-inch color touch screen. In terms of safety, all models come with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes with Duralife rotors, StabiliTrak with electronic sway control and hill start assist. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 59T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.